Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that VANKEDISI token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, VANKEDISI launched on 14 February 2025, a team based in Turkey. VANKEDISI is a community-centric meme token that integrate internet culture and social engagement into its core design. As the first self-sealing meme token, the project focuses on user participation through a task-based reward system, providing a structured and gamified method for users to promote the token while earning rewards. The concept behind Vacancy is rooted in the spontaneous and viral nature of meme culture. Instead of relying on traditional marketing campaigns, Vacancy uses a Telegram-based task goal enable its community members to complete social tasks such as sharing content, engaging on platforms, and inviting new users. These actions are incentivized with token rewards, allowing for organic grassroots level growth that aligns closely with internet native behaviors and trends. Venkatesi project institution rating is 3.3. Venkatesi token total supply is 85.22 million and circulating supply is also 85.22 million Venkatesi token. Venkatesi token is listed on MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.